Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to do a video illustration on how to configure an email account on an application called Thunderbird. So first off, before I start, I'm going to go to my email account to which where my email credentials were sent to. So I'm going to open my email account, and as you can see, there is the email that was sent by web dev support team, which comprises of the webmail URL link, my email account, and the password. So I'm going to first off log into my webmail. So I'm going to copy my email account here. You must be careful when copying the email account to make sure that you don't copy the spaces before the email account and after the email account, as they are regarded as characters, same as for your password. So for my password, I'm going to just type it to be extra careful. So I have successfully logged in to my webmail, and I'm going to say open, and it has opened. I'm going to open this email account that has got the configuration settings. So I'm going to copy the username, which is my email account, which is michael at yourdomain.co.zw, and I'm going to open Thunderbird and paste it where it says email account. Then on full name, then I'm going to type in Michael, and then on password I'm going to type in my password again. Then I'm going to leave it as it is for it to remember my password, and then I'm going to click where it says configure manually. Then I'm going to leave the protocol at on IMAP. Then on host name, this is where I put in the incoming server name, which is mail.yourdomain.co.zw. So I'm going to come here and type in mail.yourdomain.co.zw. Then I'm going to check to see the IMAP incoming port. So I'm going to it's 993, so I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it into my Thunderbird. And for connection security, I'm going to select SSL slash till ls. And for authentication method, I'm going to select normal password. And for username, I'm going to leave it as my email address, which is michael at yourdomain.co.zw. Then for outgoing mail server settings, I'm going to come here and check the the mail server name, which is mail.yourdomain.co.zw, and I'm going to paste it here. And for port, again, I'm going to come here and check it is on 465. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it into my Thunderbird. I'm going to paste it into my Thunderbird, which is 465. Then for connection security, it's on it should be on SSL slash till ls. Then for authentication method, it's on normal password. Then username, I'm going to leave it as my email account, which is michael at yourdomain.co.zw. Then I'm going to click done. Then account successfully created. So this indicates that my email account has been successfully added to the Thunderbird email, Thunderbird application. So here I'm going to just say skip integration. So here if I click on inbox, you see the email that I was accessing via webmail. There it is. So thank you for watching.